Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So, I've been addicted to this app for a while now, and you probably already know what this app is, and it's called TikTok. So, I've been really addicted to it. I pretty much spend a lot of my days right now in the app, just watching TikTok videos, and it's really taking over my life by like dramatically. I pretty much spend over 2 hours I think a day just looking at TikTok videos, and it's pretty sad. But also it's pretty fun. Of course, the app you find some funny videos, and it's interesting the app of course as well. And I've been making a lot of TikTok videos as well. So it's been really fun, of course, to make those TikTok videos. And yeah, it's just a fun way to pass time, mostly when we're stuck inside in our homes, of course, because we're trying to be socially distancing ourselves, of course, at this point in our time. And so yeah, it's just been really fun, of course, to waste time and just pass time as well, making some fun TikTok videos. But today I want to share with you guys some great apps if you want to improve your TikTok videos as well on the iPhone. So let's begin. So of course you can either use, of course, the main TikTok app as well, which is pretty straightforward, of course, when you want to record, of course, a video. But also you can either use another app called Likey. Likey is pretty much like TikTok, and so what this app does, of course, it's a little bit much more better, but also really cool because you could quickly see, of course, it's let me see here, 2 times video right here, and then we're gonna click. You could change it to whatever you want. So if you want to, of course, film for TikTok, for the TikTok app, for the Instagram app, you could change it right there as well. And then of course you could click on your beauty area to see so much more customization in your beauty area as well. The speed, of course, right here, you could quickly see. You could change it from there as well. But what I like about this app also is all the highly customizable things you could do within the app. So you could do a lot of cool effects as well. These are overblown effects, but they're fun, of course, and they're really creative, of course. So yeah, it's just really fantastic, this app, if you want to do something cool in the app, of course. And then of course you could quickly see the time right here. So here you could quickly see, you could change how much you want the time to be. So if you want it to be 30 seconds, you could quickly see it. You could quickly change it to 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 5 seconds countdown. And then of course here you could change how far you want the clip to stop until you want to continue to edit or continue filming as well. And so yeah, it's just a really great app, and a lot of people like this, using this app a little bit more than the original TikTok app, because this one I think films 24 frames a second or 30 frames a second. So for a lot of people, that helps them when they're doing transitions and everything like that. When they do cool tricks and everything, this is the app that they use. And yeah, it's just a fantastic app if you want to step up your TikTok game. Another great app that I really like and enjoy using, that I found out about, of course, by another TikTok user who does some cool photography stuff, is InShot. So InShot is my favorite app that I use to go and edit out some of my videos before I upload them to TikTok. And so this one, of course, you could quickly see. I could quickly just customize anything. So here, and let's change one video up. So let's change this one for fun. And so what I like about this one is that you could quickly change the canvas as well from the beginning. So you could quickly see, frames, Instagram, for YouTube, for Apple. You could, so it's different, has stuff that has different types of ratios that you could change it to. Of course, I leave it to default for TikTok. And so yeah, you could quickly change it here. So I like just going to filter, and then I go to effects. And then from effects, of course, I just like playing around with it. So depending on what I want, you could clearly see. So it's just a really fun app just to have fun with it. It's not usually, you're not supposed to take this app seriously, of course. It's just a fun way to pass time. And yeah, it's just really fantastic, this app, if you want to change it up. So I'm just going to leave it to this one. Or Yeah, we'll change it to this one. And then from here, you could quickly change how much you want the effect to be. So if you want the effect to take over the whole timeline, you could keep it to the whole timeline, or only half timelines. You could quickly adjust it and choose how much you want that effect to cover in the video. And of course, you could go to adjustment and then change the contrast and everything here. You could quickly change it to have it more light. The contrast, of course, you want maybe one darker or lighter contrast. Let's just leave it like that for now. So yeah, it's just a really fun app. It's really powerful, this app. It's free and it's really simple. After you're done everything, you could quickly just export the video. And so I like it. Save, and then quickly just export the video from there, and it'll be saved in your Photos app, waiting for you to upload it directly to TikTok. Or you could quickly automatically upload it from within the app. So it will tell you right here. You could quickly go on the share sheet and it will quickly open TikTok for you to share it on the main app. Now, another great app, of course, is Premiere Rush. So Premiere Rush has actually been really fantastic in updating its app. And Adobe has been really, really great in supporting a lot of third-party apps like, of course, TikTok. And so, yeah, I don't really use Adobe Rush too much, but it's another app if you're really into like doing some crazy edits and everything. You could quickly edit, of course, the video in Premiere Rush and then directly export it in format for TikTok directly before you upload it. So yeah, it's just a really, really great app if you're looking into improving and doing some crazy edits for your TikTok video. You could use Premiere Rush to quickly edit. So I'll show you a quick example right here. So after you're done, after I'm happy with this, you could quickly just share it and it will show you right here. You could quickly, it shows you the exports it supports. So after it's done rendering, it will automatically tell you, it'll show you that you can export it, of course, for the TikTok format. So you could quickly tap on TikTok, and then there we go. So there you go. It's uploaded to TikTok as well, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, it's just a fantastic app, of course. If you're, of course, doing, like I said, crazy edits on the go and you don't have time to go on the PC and you need to edit on the phone, then Premiere Rush is for you if you're doing, like I said, crazy big edits. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, me sharing with you guys some cool third-party apps that you could use to step up your game on TikTok, of course. And don't forget to follow me, of course. You know, you could laugh and have some fun. And yeah, watch me on TikTok as well. So that's it for now, guys. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.